Good day viewers, I'm Keanu and today we are going to wash my motorcycles with the help of my classmates.
This is the materials we need: bucket, brush, liquid soap, and cloth for drying, and water dipper.
Second step, we will rinsing the motorcycle, and we need to rinse the entire motorcycle with water to remove dirt and debris.
This is a third step. We need to prepare a soap and water in the bucket. Mix a small amount of soap with water according to the soap's instructions.
I am going to show you the fourth step in cleaning a motorcycle. We need a sponge and gently wash the motorcycle starting from the top and working your way down. Be sure to pay extra attention to any areas with road dirt.
Step 5. I will be rinsing the motorcycle thoroughly with a hose to remove all the soap residue.
Last step is to use the cloth and wash the motorcycle again to make sure that there's no soap residue and water on it. Make sure to not start the engine until the motorcycle is completely dry to prevent damage.